Welcome to a world of innovative and practical gear. In this video, we'll explore a curated selection of travel essentials that seamlessly blend functionality with style. First up, we have Tomt's 4.5 liters Urban Sling Bag, a Black Friday favorite for tech enthusiasts. Its divided main compartment ensures organized storage, and the sling's design allows for comfortable crossbody carry. Next, the Nomadic Wallet offers a minimalist solution for those who want to carry more without the bulk, featuring a clever pull-tab design for easy access to up to 14 cards. Looking for unique gear? Dive into Bespoke Post, a subscription service bringing you under-the-radar brands treasures, with a special offer for our viewers. Join us as we explore these must-have items, ranging from travel backpacks to coffee tumblers, ensuring you're prepared for any adventure. Let's dive in. Number 1. Tomt's 4.5 liters Urban Sling Bag is a fan-favorite solution for carrying your tech, and it's now confirmed as part of their Black Friday sale on Amazon. The bag's main compartment is divided, making it easy to keep your battery banks and dongles separate from your cords and other small accessories. Despite its compact size, it has enough room to pack larger items such as your Nintendo Switch or Kindle. The front pocket is designed with a swivel key clip on a long leash, along with 2 pockets wide enough for an AirPod case or a minimalist wallet. A slightly deeper zipper pocket on the back provides easy access to your passport and travel documents while navigating through the airport. The bag is comfortable to carry crossbody, though the vertical to horizontal design may require you to switch shoulders when changing the bag from back to front carry. Number 2. The Nomadic Wallet is a minimalist solution that allows you to carry more while keeping things organized without adding bulk to your pockets or sling. Its simple elastic sleeve design includes a pull tab to easily access a stack of up to 14 cards. The wallet features a dedicated slip pocket for folded bills, coins, a key, or a smart tracker. While the elastic may stretch over time, it securely holds cards, making it suitable for daily use. The Nomadic Wallet is a practical and sleek accessory for those who can't decide which cards to leave behind. Number 3. For more awesome gear, check out Bespoke Post, a subscription service that delivers a box of curated products from under-the-radar brands each month. With a membership, you'll discover unique items based on your preferences through a personalized quiz. The boxes contain around $70 worth of goods, and you can preview your box before it ships to make adjustments. You can easily find some deals on this to get 20% off. Number 4. Tomt Navigator at 82 Travel Laptop Backpack. If you're embarking on a longer trip, consider the Tomt Travel Backpack. With several exterior pockets for quick access to small gear, a laptop compartment that opens flat for airport security, and a 40 liters capacity, this backpack is versatile and spacious. The mesh-covered cushion padding on the back provides comfort, and the luggage pass-through promotes airflow, helping you avoid a sweaty back. The backpack's design allows you to access the main compartment through a divider or the front, giving you flexibility in packing. Number 5. Thel Compression Cube. Streamline your packing experience with the Compression Cube, a game-changer for organizing large backpacks. Crafted from durable ripstop nylon and equipped with reliable light cake zippers, this set of 2 packing cubes offers efficiency and durability. The smaller cube neatly stores socks and underwear, while the medium-sized one accommodates tops, pants, and larger items. Embrace the benefits of compression cubes to optimize space, ensuring hassle-free packing for your upcoming adventures. Say goodbye to the challenge of fitting holiday sweaters and numerous pants. The compression cube is your key to a more organized and convenient travel packing routine. Upgrade your travel game and maximize every inch of your backpack. Number 6. Discover the Nomadic McKinnon Camera Pack, a resilient backpack designed to house both clothing and camera gear. In partnership with photographer Peter McKinnon, Nomadic brings you a collaborative masterpiece with customizable storage options and reinforced sides for superior gear protection. The backpack includes specialized compartments for camera cubes, mesh pockets for smaller items, and convenient side pockets suitable for water bottles or tripods. Whether you're a photographer or a traveler with unique gear requirements, this backpack ensures meticulous organization and unwavering durability, catering to the needs of those seeking a reliable and versatile solution for their on-the-go lifestyle. Number 7. The Aala Smooth Sip coffee tumbler is a 20-oz stainless steel insulated mug designed for coffee lovers. It keeps your coffee warm for hours and is suitable for cold beverages as well. The lid, shaped for comfortable drinking, is easy to push on and pull out. While splash-resistant, it's not leak-proof, so handle it with care. The absence of a spout closure minimizes the risk of condensation against your nose, making it a practical choice for travel. Number 8. The Matador Flat Pack Soap Bar Case is an ingenious choice for travelers keen on carrying their preferred soap. Its flat and flexible design allows for easy rolling as the soap bar diminishes, efficiently conserving space in your toiletry bag. The case's interior is equipped with a waxy material facilitating moisture evaporation, ensuring the soap bar remains dry and doesn't impact other items in your bag. Tailored for individuals who value compactness and practicality, this soap bar case is indispensable for those on the move. Prioritize organization and convenience with this must-have travel companion, guaranteeing not only the security of your soap, but also maintaining a neat and efficient toiletries bag. Number 9. For picnic lovers, the Belroy Cooler Caddy offers a convenient and compact solution for transporting drinks and snacks. This bag combines the features of a packing cue and a soft cooler, thanks to its durable ripstop material and 3M Thinsulate insulation. It compresses easily when not in use and expands to accommodate your items. The G-hook strap can be looped through an attachment point on your day pack, doubling as a bottle opener. Whether you're headed to the park or on a road trip, the Cooler Caddy keeps your refreshments accessible. Number 10. The North Face Router Backpack is an ideal choice for longer trips, featuring compression strips to keep bulk in check. Despite its spacious 40 liters capacity, the backpack maintains a daypack-like aesthetic. It includes 2 water bottle pockets, a front compartment that opens like a book, and a soft-lined top pocket with a unique inverted layout. The admin panel provides organization for tech accessories and everyday items, and the 16-inch laptop compartment is well-designed. The comfortable harness system and breathable mesh contribute to a pleasant carrying experience. In this captivating journey through innovative travel gear, we've uncovered essentials that marry functionality with style. From Tomt's sleek urban sling bag to the minimalist efficiency of the Nomadic Wallet, we've explored solutions that redefine convenience. Don't miss the exclusive Black Friday deal on Tomt's Urban Sling Bag, a must-have for tech enthusiasts. And for those seeking the extraordinary, dive into Bespoke Post curated treasures with our special offer. Whether it's the versatile Tomt Navigator travel backpack, space-saving Thel compression cubes, or the rugged Nomadic McKinnon camera pack, we've got you covered. You will find the links in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching.